We have this simple question that says express x squared minus 6x minus 15 in terms of a minus x minus a squared minus b, where a and b are integers. All right, so if you look at this expression, x minus a all squared, that is perfect square, minus b. So what we are trying to do is to make this a perfect square, then a constant. So to make a perfect square, remember the class I taught on completing the square method. So we're going to have x squared minus 6x minus 15, right? This is what we have. We're expressing it in x minus a squared minus b. So we want to make this a perfect square. To make it a perfect square, what I said we'll do is, first of all, find the half of the coefficient of x. The half of the coefficient of x is 6 over 2 because the coefficient of x is 6. That is 3. We're going to square it. That's giving us 3 squared, and add to both. If it's an equation, we're adding to both sides, but since it's an expression, we're going to add it here. When you square it, it's giving us 9. All right, so we're going to add 9 to this equation. If we add 9 to this equation, we'll find a way to make this 15 to still remain 15. If we're going to add 9 to this equation and still maintain 15, it's going to be what? Minus 9. You know, we're going to add 9 to this equation and still maintain this as 15. How do we do that? Right? So what we are going to do is x squared minus 6x. So minus 6 is the coefficient. So minus 3 squared, that's plus 9. When you add 9, it becomes minus 24. So that plus 9 minus 24 gives you 15 back. Are we on the same page? So you are turning 15 to what? 9 minus 24. So that you have not really tweaked, you have not changed the expression so much. If you understand that, give it a thumb up, give it a like. So now we now have x squared minus 6x plus 9 minus 24. Now we can factorize this side of the equation, right? If you are factorizing this, you look for two numbers. When you multiply, you give 9. When you subtract, give you minus 6, and that's minus 3 and minus 3. So you have x squared minus 3x plus 9 minus 24, right? Minus 3x gives you minus 6x. Now we factorize this. You have x squared minus 3x minus 3x minus 9 minus 24. All right, remember, when you open this bracket, minus times minus 3 gives you minus 3x. Minus times minus gives you plus 9. All right, so we bring out what is common in the factor. X is common here. What is left is x minus 3. Okay? All right, so what is common on this side is minus 3, and you are left with x minus 3 minus 24. All right, so you can see that x minus 3, x minus 3. So when you take x minus 3, you have x minus 3 into x minus 3 minus 24. All right, so we are at this point. The next thing to do is x minus 3 times x minus 3 gives you x minus 3 squared minus 24. And this is our final answer in the format x minus a. Our a is now 3 and b is 24. So we have gotten this expression in this format, and it's as simple as great as that. All right, thank you for staying to this point, and see you again in another class. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and share this with others, and we're going to see you again. I wish you success. Thank you and bye.